You better hope they don't start pecking or that tree's coming down.
They're making funny noises the whole time. Never seen him do this before. Oh shit, he fell. Oh my god. I think these might be young ones.
It's a baby.
I think so.
It's a practice tree because there's no bugs on it.
A practice tree. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Okay, kiddo, you gotta go all the way to the top. There's the second one. It's like, Mom, this is hard. I don't know why I have to do this. You want to be a big woodpecker one day, don't you? They're making the cutest little sounds. Oh, they're making their way all the way to the top. I wonder if he's going to sit on top. Birds love to sit on top of this thing. Peck, peck. Oh, there you go. Good job. There's the other one just below. It's like, I'm the king of the tree. Oh, look at him. There you go. Off they go. That was pretty cool.